All right, so I purchased this off of Amazon. I think it was like 25 bucks. And it's a gooseneck Lamicall, holder for my iPhone. I found I needed something that I could use to put under sinks when I'm doing different types of videos where something of this nature just doesn't work. And I'm hoping that this is going to be the solution. The only thing I'm worried about is this, how wide this is going to flip open. But we're going to check it out right now and see what it looks like. All right, so here it is. Looks pretty good. And let's just go ahead and give it a try, see how she works. All right, so I'm going to show you this super cool iPhone device for videotaping. So this thing here, it kind of rolls out like this, and you can bend this. Now what's really cool is this opens up, right? And check this out. It opens up to about 4¼ inches. So that means that any iPhone, even with a case, look, here's the biggest iPhone they make. I mean, it's got lots of room on it, right? And right here is these really nice grooves of rubber that you set the phone in. So that works great. And then the other cool thing about this is that this rotates. So this turns. You can put this anywhere you want, right? I mean, you can turn it like around this way. I mean, it does like a million different things. So this is great. Like I was under a sink the other day and I needed to get the phone all the way under like this. And if I'd had this device, I could have got a much better video under that sink. Now this is a cool thing too. Check this out. This opens up wide. I mean, if you've got a big piece of wood that you got to put it around, you can get this thing way down there. And we're going to measure it and see how big it is. You might want to get this kind of straight when you're doing it. All right, there it is. So that's the length of this thing. So this here goes to right about there. Let's see, I'm just going to get the first thread on this, just so you can see the length. There it is. So now let's measure this bad boy, see how big this is. So this in here will fit a 3-inch piece of wood, or wherever you want to set it on. You got about 3 inches. You can put it around anything that's 3 inches wide. They could have made that wider. Let's see. That's it right there, yeah. So I don't have, I'm going to give you this right there it is. That's the full distance. So let's check it out. So that is exactly 3 inches. So you've got 3 inches there, which, most shelves are, like a 1/2 inch. So, you should be able to get it on a shelf, but you've got that room that you can use. And the way it works is you can see this just slides, but this is what tightens it down here. And then you put it on whatever you're going to put it on. Tighten it down. It's on my hand. So I'll show you. We're going to show you on the over here on this. So yeah, let's turn this. Okay, so you just kind of set it on like that. And then you just got to go righty-tighty. And it locks in. Bam, done. There you go. Now you're good. Let's step back and take a look at it. And then you can manipulate this, point it wherever you want, and this, of course, circles, which is cool. So if you put let me just show you. If you put your phone on here, you can do these kind of shots, circular shot, and twist this and turn it in different attitudes. And then also it's very malleable. You can move it anywhere you want. If you want to shoot portrait, you shoot portrait. You can shoot, this way also. So let's say you're doing a shot down here, right? This rotates, so you can get this rotational shot with this just by turning this. That's kind of cool. So I've got it set up here, and I could do a down shot, let's say me playing guitar sitting in this chair here. So this thing I think is going to really work well. I like it a lot. I think it's going to be good. So that's very good. Bam, done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.